My name is Sarah Campbell, and I was introduced to Jernigan via a webpage. I heard about it, and I was having problems with my hair, and so I came in, did a consultation. I wanted to regrow my hair, but unfortunately that did not happen. But you know what? I've got some of the best people on the case, and I tell you, they checked my hair. I knew that I couldn't regrow mine, so I am being fitted again twice already with new hair, and I tell you what, it makes me feel good. Chasity has done it, and I'm telling you, she is a wonderful person, does an absolutely great job. She always going to hair shows and always want to try something different on my hair, but most time it doesn't work. So we go back to what we were doing, and it comes out beautifully, as you can see.